What's up guys? Before we start this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also to hit the notification bell so that way you guys will be notified every time I post a video. So now that we got that out of the way, today we are going to be doing eyebrows. So this has been a video that has been requested by a few people, and I get asked a lot how I shape and clean up my eyebrows, or what do I do. The beginning of this video, you guys will be seeing how I clean up my eyebrows, the tools that I use, how I shape them when I'm applying my makeup. You guys will also get to see some of the products that I've been using now in the summertime because it has changed just a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm due for a cleanup, especially underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to be showing you guys the tools that I use. So I always use these blades. You can get these anywhere. I usually buy mine at Big Lots. Sometimes Walmart will have them as well. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I use for my eyebrows. So first off, you want to start off with like some type of a eyebrow brush. This is one. And you could also use something like this to brush up the hairs. And then this is the tweezer that I have. It's pretty old, it's been with me for a while. The brand is called Lacrosse. I believe I bought this at Walmart or one of the drugstores. I'm not sure, maybe Walgreens. It's awesome. I like the angled tip that it has. Those are the ones that I usually like to aim for because there are some that are round tip and I don't feel like it really does the job for me. Like the edges are too soft and I need something a little bit more sharper. I also use this little like trimmer. These sometimes come in manicure kits and I believe they have them for eyebrows. I'm not 100% sure, but this is what I use. I like to use Vaseline to have the hairs stick down, just to make it easier for me and so that way my skin doesn't get irritated in the process. The one that I'm going to be using today is not like the normal Vaseline. This is just a regular chapstick. You can use chapstick as well and just wipe it off after. To start off, I'm gonna make sure that my eyebrows are brushed. I usually go up starting here. If you guys see me looking, I just have another mirror right in front of me. I'll brush these up right here, and then once I get to this side, I like to just go this way. So after I brush my eyebrows, I'm gonna go and apply some of the chapstick, and then I'm gonna go in with my tweezer and start tweezing as much hair as I can. You want to also have like some type of a towel to wipe off any excess hair. Now guys, I know that there's different types of like eyebrow trends, like with the arch, thin, thick. In wintertime, I usually go thicker on my eyebrows, and in the summertime, I tend to go thinner. Lately, I've been kind of consistent, just keeping my eyebrows the same all year round. When you're doing your eyebrows, you want to be able to have your eyebrows suit your face, your features, your angle. Another thing is I've seen a lot of girls that sometimes their eyebrows would either go too far in here or too far out, and the way to determine on how long your eyebrows should be is by taking, either you can take a brush and just line it up with the edge of your nose, and that's how you know how much hair needs to be removed from here. And then you want to take your brush and you want to just shift it over like this, and then see whatever hair you have left. Little eyebrow history, I used to get my eyebrows waxed and then I stopped. I was going to this lady for a really long time, and she just had this one day where I guess she was a little bit off and she took more than what I wanted, and I haven't been back ever since. So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna figure this out on my own, because last thing I need is for someone to mess with my eyebrows, and especially if they're hard to grow out, I definitely don't want anyone messing them up. So that's why I started to do my own eyebrows. And technically I really don't have the time. Nobody got time for all that, especially on a Saturday. That is why now I do my own stuff. And as you guys can see, it already looks way much better. You guys see right here that it's like really wide. I don't want it to be like that. Alright guys, now that I tweezed out as much as I could, I'm now gonna go in with this blade. I know that a lot of people will sometimes use this as a go-to all the time to clean up their eyebrows. I don't recommend that, because then what ends up happening is that your hair ends up growing back much thicker, and it will be more painful when you go to tweeze it. I only use this to get all the little hair tweezer wasn't able to pull out. Definitely don't use this for maintaining your eyebrows. And I tend to like stretch out like my skin, like pull on it, just to make it easier to cut the hair. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm just gonna trim down any of the hairs that seem long to me. You want to make sure that it lines up with the hair here. So guys, that's how I shape up my eyebrows. So right now I'm applying foundation, and the color that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Desert Beige. I've been going to the beach a lot, so my skin has been catching some color, so this is in my summer foundation. So I'm going to apply the foundation underneath the eyebrow. People, they'll use like eyebrow gels, creams, all that stuff. Me, I like using the eyeshadow, like any black eyeshadow. So what I tend to do is I work on the top and then I go at the bottom. To apply mascara to my eyebrows just to brush them up, and to use any excess mascara to darken them up a little bit more. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in the color Very Black. I think I got this at Dollar Tree, but this one doesn't have that much left, so that's the one that I usually use because I don't want that much product on my eyebrows. And you want a light hand with this as well. I believe there's eyebrow mascaras or something like that. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on trying different eyebrow products. Maybe we can do like 3 and we can review it together. And let me know if that's a video that you would like me to do. So guys, that's how I do my eyebrows when I'm doing my makeup. So you guys got a video on how I shape them and clean them up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish off this look. is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Yeah, until next time guys, bye.